Students, in this video class, I will be discussing some questions related with this chapter, the France Revolution and the idea of nation. But before I discuss, I insist you people to go to the lessons nicely, get the concept. If you have got any doubts, please share with me so that I can make the things very easy. And don't even think that I might give you this question in exam. Just I am discussing how to go to the questions and how to solve the answer. So let's start. Napoleon had destroyed democracy in France, but in administrative field he had incorporated revolutionary principles in order to make the whole system more logical and efficient. That is more rational and efficient, and we need to analyze this statement point-wise, and the marks it carries is 5. So Napoleon had destroyed democracy in France, but in administrative field. You see, the question starts with a negativity of Napoleon, remember, but it has got more weight in Napoleon's positiveness. So we will go to this positiveness of Napoleon, though it starts with negativity. And the first point is this Napoleonic Code, and second is related with administrative system of Napoleon that make the system very easy. Third is abolish the feudal system, the traditional old system the king used to follow, and free peasants from serfdom. Serfdom means the farmers or the people of rural area had to serve the high class society people in their fields and agriculture activities without any pay. And manorial dues is related with taxes with crops, taxes related with crops. And the next is guild restriction. That means guild means association of business community, and equal system. Next is common currency, helped in movement of goods and capital from one to another region of Europe. Transport and communication system were improved because at that stage railway was also introduced, and it made the system more easy. Might be Napoleon might be encouraged, or he encouraged the people encouraged to have railways in his region, so it also helped in spreading the messages of his administrative policy. Now one thing I need you people to point out, that is with currency. Remember, Europe, the countries of Europe right now are very smaller countries. Many of the countries, or many countries are, we can compare the countries with our state in India. So they have got their own currency right now also. There might be questions related with this concept of currency. So it was Napoleon who first gave this concept of currency. He made the system easy, or he decreased the currency in his area. And the present situation, there might be questions related with this currency, and it is euro. I think you know the euro currency, and right now England is not a part of euro currency. That is what we know as Brexit. So the next question is, describe the events of France Revolution which had influenced the people belonging to other parts of Europe. Now the question is related with the French Revolution and after the French Revolution. What happens and how it impacted the other parts of Europe. The question carries 3 marks. The first point is, when this news of French Revolution reached different cities of Europe, students and other members of middle class began to set up Jacobean clubs. Okay. The next is, French armies began to carry the idea of nationalism abroad. That means the army that was under the control of people's elected democratic process in France, they began to carry this idea in other parts of Europe, so that the area under the control of monarchical becomes a liberal nation. The next is Napoleonic Code. that abolish privileges and upholding equality and other reforms. So this idea of this idea of Napoleonic Code or Napoleon encouraged the other regions of Europe which were under the monarchical rule, and they can gain it by abolishing the monarchical system. So this encouraged the people to uphold the democratic process against the monarchical rule. And the next question is, explain the conditions that were viewed as obstacles to the economic exchange and growth by new commercial class during 19th century in Europe. 3 marks. The question is related with commercial class. Remember the problem that is related with commercial class, business class. Very simple. The answers will be related with their problems. State imposed restriction of movement of goods, capital and people. Confederation had its own system of weight and measurement that involved time-consuming calculation. Now, this answer might confuse you. Here, the points is related after Napoleon's rule. That means when Napoleon rule was over and the states that was under the control of Napoleon, they become autonomous and they had their own weight and measures. So this created problem in that region of Europe. So it also encouraged them to have a country, democratic country. And the next is because of countless principalities, because of the small states before that was under Napoleon's, there were, after they became autonomous, many check posts were and custom duties were paid by the merchants. So it resulted price rise and delay in supply. And the last answer. And the last question is, how did a wave of economic nationalism strengthen the wider nationalist sentiment in Europe? Read the question actually. Wave of economic nationalism, that means related with economy, and how it helped to raise these nationalistic feelings among the people of Europe. It is related with economy. So the answer will be with economic points, related with economy. The first is, they demanded unified, means single area having unconstrained transfer of commodities, peoples and funds. Next is related with formation of Jolovarian. That means the formation of Jolovarian, the elimination of tariff barriers by the Union. That means a united, a single association should be there without any tariff barriers for entire Europe. And the third one is reduction of currency from over 30 to 2. That means there were numerable currencies, so it should be 1. And this is right now in Europe. Remember the euro dollar or euro currency, and there might be questions related with this, so remember students. Thanks.